How to get face shape filter on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, simply swipe over. Here, you can see the story options, and in your story, here you'll be able to see all the different filters. So just wait for a while and drag it to the very end over here until you see this browse effect. So tap on it, and here you can see the search icon. So just tap on the search icon at the top left and then tap on the search effect. Here let's type for face shape over here, and it says no results found for face shape. So maybe this filter is not available over here. So let's say if we have an updated version of the Instagram application on our device, for which we're going to go to the Play Store application and then tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. So here we can see there's no option of update, which means we have the updated version of the Instagram application. So the filter or this effect is not available on Instagram now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.